this is how you add students to your class. So as a teacher, I have this SJA class list. So I'll go ahead and enter that class list. What you will have to do is highlight, let's say for this section right here, because I have different sections. For this section, I can just go ahead and highlight their emails, the student emails, copy them. Then I'll go ahead and head over to my course. This says test course, but it would be your actual course. I would have to go into people. And in people, I will have to click on this button. And here it says add users by email address or login ID or SSID. SISID, but we are not integrated with any system that would have all that information. So for now, we have to add them manually by email address. So I have to paste the emails of my students and make sure I follow the example, which is adding a comma after each student. And I'll make sure that their role is student and make sure that we are in the correct section with the correct course. And this could be, it really is up to you whether you want students to only interact with other students in their own section. I would go ahead and click this box and click on next. So as you can see, because we have no system integrated with their student IDs, we have to manually add each student's name. So I'll go back to this document. I see that their first name and their last name for this student. So I'll go ahead and copy and paste their names. Same thing with this next email. Make sure it's all connected. And do that with the rest of their names, with the rest of the emails. For now, I'll just do their first name and middle name. After this happens, we can go ahead and click next. And it should be letting you know that the following users are ready to be added to the course with their names and their emails. And click on add users. Once you add users, these students should appear on the bottom here with pending. Let me show you an example. And it will let you know whether or not they have accepted their invitations. Right now we do not have, I cannot find the example, but here in where it says name and login ID and role, it should let you know whether they accept it or not. and you'll be able to see the total activity.